Welcome back. We are now going to gain an understanding about giving discounts in business. Giving discounts is a common practice in business. When the owner reduces the price of the product or service being sold for a short duration of time, we say that a discount was given. Discounts are given during festivals such as Diwali, or these are given for regular customers of the business or for a limited time period to increase sales. Discount should be extended only in the short term or on a temporary basis. If a business gives discounts on a long-term basis, then that becomes a price reduction. However, discounts are a good way to increase the revenue of the business in the short term. During festivals such as Diwali or Eid or Christmas, families tend to spend more on buying new things or gifts for relatives. Offering discount can induce them to buy more from the business. An established business may also offer discounts to customers if the items being sold are approaching expiry or might get spoiled soon. In such a case, if these goods are not sold quickly, then the business might not recover the cost of the goods. A loss will be incurred. This is the same principle when garment sellers sell out of fashion or old stock of clothes at a discounted price. There are also certain instances where there might be excess stock lying with the owner, and these goods are not getting sold as expected. In such a situation, the goods may be sold at a discount to encourage customers to buy the products. Discounted sales reduces the unsold inventory and helps to free up money stuck as working capital in the business. At the start of a new business, the owner might give discounts on goods sold initially so that the customers are attracted to buy from the shop. In a similar manner, if the shop is starting to sell a new product which has never been sold before, the business owner could give discounts to encourage the customer to try out and adopt the new product. On other occasions, discounts are also given to ensure that long-term customers continue to buy goods and services from our business. However, these discounts would only be provided to customers who regularly buy in large quantities and hence bring in a substantial portion of the revenue of the business. Let us now look at another consideration. Should a business give a discount to customers, or is it better to provide a free item instead? Usually, it is better to give an extra quantity for free rather than a discount on the selling price. We will examine this with an example. Kanku's General Store buys neem soap for ₹9 and sells the same soap for ₹12. Kanku wants to increase the sale of neem soaps, and she is wondering whether it would be better to give a ₹2 discount on the soap or give a free shampoo sachet worth ₹2 instead. The shampoo sachet were bought in bulk for ₹1.60 each. So, if Kanku offers ₹2 discount on the soap, the profit for each bar of soap will be price minus cost minus discount, which equals to ₹12 minus ₹9 minus ₹2 equals to ₹1. However, if Kanku gives a free sachet of shampoo with the bar of soap, then the profit for each bar of soap will be price minus cost of free item, which equals to ₹12 minus 9 minus ₹1.60 equals to ₹1.4. So, Kanku stands to earn more profit per bar of soap by giving a free sachet of shampoo instead of giving ₹2 discount. This is because the cost of the free item to the business is lesser than the amount of discount given on the price, even though the customer sees both the discount and the free gift to be of the same value. The owner must remember that discount or free item given are both costs to the business and impact profit. Hence, the owner must ensure that the discount given or the free item provided should be such that the business still makes a profit on the sale. In summary, discounts should be used for short term only and not on permanent basis. Discount or free items should be given if it leads to short-term increase in revenue, while also ensuring that business makes a profit.